Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to GBO on Revolut. First, log into your Revolut account, then go to the crypto and open your holdings. Now, check if you hold USDT and whether GBO is available for conversion. If GBO is listed, you can proceed, otherwise you will not be able to swap directly on Revolut. Next, tap the trade or exchange. Select USDT as the currency you want to convert from and look for GBO as a target currency. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to swap. Then, review the exchange rate and any fees carefully before tapping confirm or swap. Wait for the transaction to complete and be confirmed. If GBO is not directly available on Revolut, you can first swap USDT to PTC or ETH on Revolut, then transfer PTC or ETH to an external exchange that supports GBO. After that, swap PTC or ETH to GBO on that platform. Finally, if supported, transfer your GBO back to Revolut. Now open crypto holdings in Revolut and check that your GBO balance has been updated. Keep your transaction details or screenshots for reference in case you need to track or verify the swap later. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.